was sitting with my aunt. She's a good friend of mine. Asked her how she liked to spend her precious time. She said, I like a Jack and Coke. I like to have a toke sometimes. Most of all, I like to color the shapes and stay between the lines. Me and Uncle Rich, we had a thought, why not set the artist free? We gave Aunt Sandra a blank piece of paper and tried to sing in key. Well, horses can paint, dogs can paint, even a rhinoceros can paint. Horses can paint, cats can paint, elephants can paint, and you can paint. She drew such wild shapes, inspired by hippie days. Psychedelic colors talking to each other. We couldn't help but be amazed. I guess somehow deep down we knew things would be just fine. She took those pencils to a blank sheet of paper and opened up her mind. Well, horses can paint, dogs can paint, even a rhinoceros can paint. Horses can paint, cats can paint, elephants can paint, so you can paint. So now I got a piece of her art framed inside my van. Everyone who sees it, they just can't believe it. The artist is a friend of mine. Someday soon, my aunt will be famous for her magic works of art. Me and Uncle Rich, we can smile at each other, 'cause we know where it got its start. Horses can paint, dogs can paint, even a rhinoceros can paint. Horses can paint, cats can paint, elephants can paint, birds can paint. You know, I even saw one time a snake can paint, and they don't even have any arms. Little cats can paint, kittens, they paint too. All the things can paint. You can paint, you can paint, 'cause horses and you and me too, we can all paint.